In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy one single item on Alibaba. If you've heard that Alibaba is only for bulk orders, don't worry. Many listings allow single piece purchases, and I'll show you exactly how to find them and check out smoothly. Start by opening your browser and going to alibaba.com. You can browse without signing in, but you'll need an account to complete the checkout. On the homepage, look for the main search bar, type the exact item you want, add a brief description to narrow results like the color, size, or model, and then click the search button to pull up listings. On the results page, the key is filtering for sellers who accept one-piece orders. Look to the left side of the page for the filter labeled minimum order or min. Order, click into that field, type the number 1, and confirm by pressing OK or apply. This instantly hides listings that require higher minimums, leaving you with options that allow a single unit. Browse through the filtered results and select the item that best matches what you need. Open the product page and take a moment to review the photos, specifications, available variations, and the price range. Pay attention to shipping details and estimated delivery times, since these can vary by location and method. If the listing has options like color, size, or plug type, choose those first so you see the correct price and availability. Find the quantity field on the product page and enter 1. This ensures you're set for a single item purchase. When everything looks right, click the Start Order button. Depending on the supplier, it might also appear as Buy Now or a similar phrase. It serves the same purpose of moving you into the ordering flow. You'll now be asked for your shipping address. Enter your details carefully and completely. Country, street address, postal code, and a reliable contact name, so couriers can deliver without delays. After you save the address, shipping options and costs will typically update. Choose the option that balances speed and budget for you, then review the order summary to confirm the item, the quantity, and the total cost including shipping and taxes if shown. A couple of quick tips as you go. If you still see a higher minimum order on a listing you like, you can message the supplier to ask whether they'll allow a sample or one-piece order. Also, listings that show trade assurance offer extra protection at checkout. And that's it. By filtering for a minimum order of 1, selecting your item, setting the quantity to 1, starting the order, and entering your shipping address, you can buy a single item on Alibaba with confidence.